Hello everyone, welcome back to your class time. Dear friends, we were learning class 9 geography chapter 1 weather and climate, and the topic we are learning was types of climate. Few types of climates already we have learned. In case you have not watched, you can find it in the playlist. Please do watch it from there. Today we are going to continue with the same topic, that is types of climate, and first we are seeing with hot desert climate. Okay, three types of climate we are going to see in this video, dear friends. After that we shall be having few questions basing on the video also. If you watch it completely, surely you will be able to answer to those questions. Before I proceed with today's class, let us have the answers of the last class questions. Okay. The first question was like, what is the I dealt about monsoon climate and savanna climate, and basing on those two, the first question was what is the type of vegetation in the region receiving more than 200 centimeter rainfall under monsoon climate. So what type of vegetation, that was the question, and the answer for that particular question is evergreen. Okay, evergreen vegetations, evergreen forest. Next question was, what is the type of vegetation, what is the average temperature in winter in the region where savanna climate prevails? In the area where there is savanna climate, in the time of winter, what is the average temperature? Okay, dear friends, and it was mainly for the winter asked, but I am giving you the both answer. Okay, 27 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius during the summer, and during the winter it is 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. Next question was, name the vast grassland in Brazil. I'm giving you the name for both. Okay, one in Africa and one is in Brazil. In Africa it is savanna desert. Okay, savanna. Okay, savanna grassland, and in Brazil it is compass. Okay, compass. So these two are the, but for that particular answer, your answer for that particular question, your answer will be compass. Okay, it is in Brazil, and as for savanna, it is in Africa. Okay, dear friends, so these were the answers of last class. Now let us continue with hot desert climate. Dear friends, by the very word hot you might have understood, desert also you might have understood, the region will surely be very hot. The area where this particular climate is seen is tropical region. Okay, tropical region. In the tropical region only we can find this climate. Okay, and in the tropical region also the places where it is very hot, where it is hot. Okay, in the tropical region area, the hot areas, in the tropical region, in the hot areas only we can see this particular type of climate. Now as for the rainfall under this particular type of climate is, it receives less than 10 centimeter. That means the rainfall is very little. Rainfall is very little. No, it is like almost no. Okay, but we can't say it completely zero, because 10 centimeter rainfall is there. Okay, or less than that also it comes. Okay, next, as for the temperature, it is hot area, so temperature will be surely high. Okay, so the temperature is more than 30 degrees Celsius in the summer, but as for the winter, it is in the winter it is 10 degrees Celsius. In the summer more than 30, and during winter about 10 degree. Okay. One of the common phenomena of this particular climate is, dear friends, people there experiences hot but very dusty wind. Hot wind which is dusty, because the area is covered, mostly deserted area. So wind blows, along the wind the dust also goes. So hot wind, okay, but it will be dusty. All right. So that way it is one of the common phenomena. Now let us see some of the major parts over which this particular type of climate prevails. The major desert near Tropic of Cancer. Okay, near Tropic of Cancer. Now this is Tropic of Cancer. Here the major deserts are Thor Desert, Saudi Arabia, Sahara, western part of US, United States, and western part of Mexico. Okay. Then major areas near Tropic of Cancer. The major areas near Tropic of Cancer, Capricorn are desert of Australia, okay, deserted region of Australia, Kalahari and Atacama deserts. Okay. So these are the areas near Capricorn. Since the place is very hot, it always has low pressure, okay, low pressure, and the wind is always hot. And since there is low pressure and wind also is hot and no much vegetations, there is little rainfall, and only because deserted area, and only because less vegetation, rainfall, the vegetations, some of the vegetations we can find in these places are like bushes, thorny scrubs, okay, cactus, only like this. Okay. So this is all about hot desert climate. Now let us see temperate desert climate. Temperate desert climate. Okay. Temperate desert climate. The region within which or between which this particular region is found is 30 degree to 40 degree north and south. You must have you may be remembering the picture showing you a globe and 90 degree degree 0 to 90 and 0 to 90 either side in the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, yes or no? So it is 30 degree to 40 degree either both to the north and to the south. Okay, dear friends, that is the region. And some of the places it is mentioning where this type of climate, okay, it mentions like the temperate desert climate is found in the central part of the continent located. Okay. Suppose we take this is 30 degree and this is 40 degree, because up to here it is 90 degree. So same way this at 30 degree, this is 30 degree and this is 40 degree. Okay. Now within this area, whatever continents falls, those continents, the central part of those continents, okay, central part of those continents only will experience this type of climate in this area. Not this is equator, this area, okay, down this area. So that is what it meant. Okay. And as for the rainfall, it is less than 10 centimeter, very little rainfall. And as for the temperature during the summer, dear friends, it goes 30 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius during the summer. And see how ironical it is, or how opposite it is in the winter. In the winter it comes down to 0 degrees Celsius, and even there is snowfall. During the summer the place is deserted, okay, very hot, and during the winter snow falls. That means people enjoy the maximum heat, people enjoy maximum cold, okay, very enjoying the snowfall in that place. Okay. So that is about the temperature. As for some of the places where this type of climate is seen are these. Okay. Those places are region where temperate climate is experienced include Gobi Desert, okay, Gobi Desert, Tarim, Turfan, Turkmen, and some other parts of Iran. Okay. Then Idaho and Utah, Nevada of North America, okay, and Patagonia Desert of South America. These are some of the places, dear friends, where this type of climate is found. Okay. Temperate desert climate. The next is Mediterranean climate. Okay, Mediterranean climate. The region of this particular climate is 30 degree to 45 degree, either both to north and south, okay, of the equator. This is the region, and this particular climate is confined within this Mediterranean region only. In that particular region only you will be finding it, not anywhere else. That is why the climate itself is named after the area. Okay, dear friends. Now, some of the areas where this climate is seen is or experienced is in the northern hemisphere. Okay, northern hemisphere, this climate is experienced. The region along Mediterranean Sea and California of USA. Okay, while in the southern hemisphere, this climate is experienced in Chilean coast and southern coast of Africa and southwestern coast of Australia. Okay, dear friends. Now, relatively the temperature in this place is very low. Okay, in this the temperature which is mentioned is 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius in the summer, and in the winter 10 to 13 degrees Celsius, that is in winter. Okay. As for the vegetations of this place, dear friends, it has both two types of vegetation, that is evergreen and deciduous. Evergreen, throughout the year there are some plants, throughout the year it is green, and deciduous, there are some plants which is shedding its leaves once a year. Okay, so both the types of vegetations can be seen under this climate. As for the livelihood, the main practice the people has is horticulture. Lots of fruits, okay, lots of fruits, varieties of fruits are being cultivated in that area. Okay, dear friends. So these are the few informations about Mediterranean climate. Okay, so that's all for today, dear friends. Now let us come back to the questions of the day, and these questions are: what is the type of vegetation in hot desert climate? What is the type of vegetation in hot desert climate? This is the first question. Next one, temperature. Okay, what is the temperature of temperate climate in winter? Temperate climates temperature is how much, or what is the temperature in the winter? Next, what is horticulture? What do you know or what do you understand by the word horticulture? Okay, try to reply them, dear friends. Try to answer them. In the next video, surely we shall be seeing the answers of this. Till then, keep learning and take care.